Did Vanya tell you that she was making a song for you?
I had an idea, but later I learned that the song is primarily for Our Lady because she has a special devotion to Our Lady.
Quiet and sure, holy and pure, near by my side. Oh, Mother, you guide.
She is Vanya Fatima. She was born on the feast day of Our Lady of Fatima. But secondary, it is for all mothers because in one way or another, we are all mothers to whatever we conceive and whatever we give birth to.
So it's basically a song for the Virgin Mary.
That's right.
But ang content sang video is inyong outings.
That's right.
Mhm. But how would you describe sang imo relationship with Vanya?
Well, with Vanya, when she was a child, it was more of a nurturing and mentoring kind of relationship. But as she matured, it evolved into she became more like a friend to me. So I can share with her my struggles, my victories, my feelings, my emotions.
Tell us one story that you cannot forget sang Dakota about you and her.
Well, she was in high school and they had this composition project and she was quite frustrated about the outcome. So she came to me and we had a good talk. She poured her heart out and so I was happy that she was open. She was open with her feelings, with her struggles to me as her mother.
Ang current generation is characterized, they say, by sometimes they resent their parents. But with Vanya, anong imo yang paglantaw?
Well, not necessarily resentment, no. It's more of she speaks her feelings, she speaks her mind, and especially that she is a consular diplomatic affairs graduate. Sometimes we don't agree on our political views, so she can be very vocal about it.
And ano ang ginalalisan niyo pero?
Well, like if I'm biased towards this politician and she doesn't agree on it, but it's purely academic or just for the sake of argument. So
But there's diplomacy.
yes, after the discussion, it's back to normal.
Anong tawag sa imo?
Mama.
Mama. And nagligad lang siya nga January, nakapauli.
March. She was here
it
March.
It was the longest time
Yes.
na nag-separate siya sa inyo. Din mo siya una nakita when she came home?
In the airport. So we pick her up sa airport. And it's so sad because of the protocol. You cannot even hug, you cannot kiss. So, but it was heartwarming just to see her and to know that she is here physically.
And then she called you Mama again.
Yes.
How did it feel?
Happy si Mama.
Okay, hindi ka mo necessarily stage mother, no?
They would always call me when she was here in Bacolod. They would call me Ari na si stage mother. So I would correct that backstage. More of a backstage mother. Kaya ara na ka pero may backstage to support, to prepare her things, and to just to be there as a moral support.
When you first heard the song, what did you feel?
Si Eloy. Si Eloy is emotional. So, syempre, nag-emote si Eloy. Cry. Kay kanami gid. Not because she's my daughter, kanami gid.
What particular line struck you?
Actually, the first line, quiet and sure. So, because parang it best describes me. All the time, ara lang ko da, quiet lang. So, I'm not really the bossy mother na who would boss her around. So, quiet and sure. As si Jim Paredes is her mentor in the composing. So si Jim mentioned that when he heard the song, he said it would have a good following in the Catholic Church. So it would be a fresh song for the mother.
How do you think has mothering changed sa subong nga panahon?
Oh, there has been a big change, no? Especially in the advent of technology. So, before, it was more of hands-on. Pero subong, more like kami, I have AJ here. So, sometimes she's in the other room, ako man other room. So, we would text or we would call. Because of the only call and the only text. And also, to segue, her younger sister, AJ, did the cover.
Okay.
The painting, yes.
Interesting.
So it was a good collaboration for both of them.
This will be the last question. Are you proud of Vanya?
Super proud.
Why so?
Well, because knowing her inside and out, she has a pure heart, and her intentions are mainly for the Lord and also for the youth that she mentors, being a youth missionary.
And with all the struggles niya, no, for the past year, siya lang to isa.
Oo. Alone in Manila.
Do you think you've raised a strong person?
I believe so.
All right. Miss Guy, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.